Good afternoon. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing with today's afternoon comments. Doing a little bit before the close. It's close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. December corn up a penny and a half, 423 and a quarter. Could not get above 425. Still a pretty good move off of the low. Um, I can't really get fired up about these corn until it goes and fills the July 4th gap up there at 433. But um, certainly, it's better than a sharp stick in the eye, right? So 423, we'll take it. November soybeans up 8.5, above the 100-day moving average here right now. That was really big all day today. That's something I would continue to watch. Um, the 100-day moving average for November beans right here at 1025, 1026. So we're trading at 1018. If we can get above the 100-day moving average, there may be some more money coming out alongside. Looks like the funds right now probably have a very small long position in soybeans, a small long position in bean oil. They remain short corn and wheat and meal. The Chicago wheat did finish. It looks like it's going to be finishing up at least 2 cents on the day here. Again, this is 12:52, so there's some time left to go unless something crazy happens. If something crazy happens, then I will check in later and update. But a good bounce off of the recent contract and um, 5-year lows. 13 cents is 13 cents. If you're working with me, we're going to keep our floors under anything we have stored. That goes across the board. I want to be positioned to reward rallies, not to be chasing shorts. If we do get a better rally. I'm already starting to look ahead at D's 26 corn and November 26 beans. You got D's 26 corn out there back up at 460, and November beans traded your favorite number today, 1066. I would continue to watch those. We may be looking to do stuff, um, especially if we can get D's 26 corn one more run up to that 470 area, 475 area. That may be our best opportunity here. And then looking at November 2026, uh, soybeans, what levels are you looking at there? Again, I would look very closely if we can ever get above 1075. We're at 1064 now, going back for uh, really to October of 2024. So the whole year we have not really been able to get above 1087. So again, we're going to be in position that if we get up there, we're going to start looking at what we can do for initial hedges for next year. I know a lot of you guys don't even want to talk about next year. Some of you are still worried about stuff that you haven't marketed from 2023, and here it is 2025. I get it, but with my plan, I want to get um, ahead on what's possible for next year. In the livestock market, well, blame whoever you want, blame whatever you want. Feeders remain limit offer 371.70. We'll see the expanded limits next week are 13 and change. We did not get limit offer in the fat cattle. We did trade as low as 241.40 in D's fat cattle. Looks like we're going to go off right here around 242.25. Now, things could be worse. I don't mind having a big down day after a record high print, which is what we had in fat cattle yesterday. We all knew that sooner or later somebody was going to say something, somebody was going to do something, and we were going to correct. If you don't believe that, go back and look what happened between 2008 and 2015. Nothing goes up forever. So, and rather than point fingers and blame and hem and haw, try and make the best of the situation that you possibly can right now. Don't be a 3-year-old child. Don't hold your breath until you turn blue because you're angry about what the market's doing to you. Let's just hedge what we can and stay as flexible as possible. We will see what the next few weeks unfold. If you're looking for support levels, I do them every day. I'm going to be doing a weekly wrap, posting it on Sunday. I am traveling this week, but I will get after it on Sunday. I'm going to do a private client podcast Sunday night and talk about specifically what I'm looking at. These daily ones, morning and afternoons, I do with the general public. It's pretty general for a reason. So if you're looking for help, give me a call, 312-638-8868. Hopefully you have a good weekend ahead. Hopefully today was a good Friday for you. Take care.